Assalamu alaikum friends, good evening. Welcome to Lodi's World. Friends, today we discuss something different about our health because these days life is very much important and whatever we are using in our life, it is very much critical and important for our health. So we have to take care of good health. So we make ensure that what we are cooking and we have to cook in our right utensils. So our topic today is belongs to the stainless steel. Why we prefer stainless steel? What are the benefits, pros and cons of stainless steel? Why stainless steel is better than uh, the other cookwares like aluminum, like we have coated utensils, non-stick pans. So let's start our topic. So let me give you some brief about stainless steel. Stainless steel is an alloy of iron with chromium which make this material rust resistant. Stainless steel is certainly one of the most widely used material when it comes to making various kitchen items, from pot and pans to kitchen appliances. You can find stainless steel almost everywhere. Flatware, various utensils, mixed bowls, etc. Stainless steel cookware is absolutely safe for your health and your kids' health as well. No dangerous toxin is involved in stainless steel utensils. We are not always aware of this, but various dangerous toxins are actually quite common in different types of cookware. For example, aluminum cookware can be quite attractive because of the affordable price. However, aluminum is highly reactive and it's a known neurotoxin. Furthermore, various non-stick coating, including Teflon, contain chemicals that have been linked with some very unpleasant side effects. Likely stainless steel is aluminum free, PTOE, PFOA, and BPA free. This is certainly the most important health benefit of stainless steel. The pros for stainless steel's pans are non-reactive, meaning you can cook any kind of food in it. They are heavy and durable. The important good thing about stainless steel, even heat transfer, like the heat can transfer equally to all the pot and the cooked very well whatever you are cooking inside in it. They are durable and the most important thing, easy cleaning and maintenance about it. And the last point, the taste of your food will remain unchanged. You might think that this is nothing special, but cookware made of materials such as cast iron, copper can actually make your food taste metallic. With stainless steel cookware, the taste of your food will remain intact. So let's start and open our new box of stainless steel which we recently bought. There are four cookwares. One is a big pot which is for 24 centimeter. The second pot is 20 centimeter. The third one is 16 centimeter. And the fourth one is the fry pan which is 24 centimeter. And there are three spoons which can be used for cooking. This is the first pot along with the lids. This is the teapot, second one. As I explained, there are four major pots inside. The first one, bigger pot, is for 4 liter and there is a marking sign inside as well. The second pot is for 2 liter and the marking sign in it as well. The fry pan is also for 2 liter and it also have a marking sign inside. And this is the teapot which is for 1 liter. And there are 3 more spoons which are packed. So inshallah we'll soon start cooking with this new stainless steel. Hope you will enjoy the cooking, and please subscribe our channel, hit the bell button, and and comment to our channel as well. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself and your family, and we'll be back soon with some new topic, not with cooking. There are some more other topics regards with immigration to Canada, visit visa for Canada, visit visa for US, how to apply, what are the things required. So wait for my upcoming video. Hopefully it will help you out for your upcoming applications as well. Thank you.